Today I'm going to talk about how to make your own birth chart, that too within less than 5 minutes. Yes, it is possible. Namaste, I'm Momita Banerjee. Welcome you all in my channel Sankhya Tattva. So let's begin. Numerology is the easiest part in occult field that anybody can learn numerology very easily. This is the beauty of numerology. So let's begin. How to make your own birth chart in less than 5 minutes. Please take a pen and paper in front of you and write your own name. As an example, I'll take Miss Kavita Sen. Write your own name. Don't write Kavita Sen. Write your own name. Just below that, write your date of birth. Let's say Kavita's date of birth is 31st May 1978. Okay? After that, like right below that, you write birth chart. Just right below that, draw a chart of 9 boxes, 9 grids. As you can see on your screen, like that, you draw a 9 boxes grid chart. I'll tell you which number will go in which boxes. Okay, so let's begin. So I have taken an example of Kavita Sen, whose date of birth is 31st May 1978. So I'll take the first 2 number, which is 31st, which is actually the date. So I'll put 3 in the first vertical line and in the middle. Okay. So now you will ask, why did you put 3 in that particular box? I'll explain that. You can see on the screen the Loshu grid. In the Loshu grid, all the numbers are present. That means from 1 to 9, all the numbers are present. You can see 3 numbers are present on the first vertical line and in the middle. So I have taken the reference from this Loshu grid and I have put 3 numbers in that particular box. You also have to do the same thing. You also take your date of birth and understand in Loshu grid this number or that number is placed in which box. You place your date in that particular box. So let's move. The next number is 1. 1 will be placed on the last horizontal row and in the middle. Why? Same as per the Loshu grid. Okay. So let's move forward. Now here I'll give you 3 very important instructions. One is, whatever numbers are there in your birth chart, all the numbers will have to go according to the Loshu grid. Number 1. Number 2 is, if you have any 0 in your birth chart, let's say you are born on 10th, 30th, 20th of the month, you have to ignore 0. There is no placement of 0 in the Loshu grid. Number 3, and the most important, if in your date of birth, any numbers are getting repeated. Let's say somebody is born on 22nd of February. 2 numbers are getting repeated thrice. So you have to put all the 2s in the particular box according to Loshu grid. You cannot avoid any number. Doesn't matter how many times are coming, 2s are coming in your birth chart. Okay. So let's move forward. 3 we have put, 1 we have put, now is 0. I have already mentioned there is no placement of 0. So let's go to 5. 5 will be placed exactly in the middle of the chart, in the middle of the Loshu grid, which is the second horizontal row and in the middle. Okay. So the next number is 1978, which is the YYYY. So 1 already I have placed. You go and place 1 at the same place, which is the last horizontal row and in the middle. Now number comes 9. 9 you have to place on the first horizontal row and in the middle. Okay. Next number comes is 7. 7 you have to put on the last vertical row, last vertical column and in the middle. Okay. It's all as per the Loshu grid. You cannot put any other number, any other boxes. Every number has got specific spot. Last but not the least, we have remaining with 8. So 8 you have to put on the first vertical line and at the end. This completes the Loshu grid. Now, it is still not over. The climax is still remaining. Now the story begins for the driver, conductor and Kua number. Driver number will be the sum total of your DD. In this case, 31st is the date. So I'll do the total of 3 plus 1, which is 4. So the driver number becomes 4. The conductor will be sum total of DD, MM, YY, YY. which is in this case, it's coming to 34. Again, I'll do the total of 3 plus 4, which is coming to 7. That means Kavita's driver number is 4, conductor number is 7. Wait, there's another number we have to calculate, which is Kua number. To calculate Kua number, we have to do the sum total of YY. In this case, 1, 9, 7, 8. The total will be 25. No, this is not the Kua number. Don't write anywhere. 25. Again, I'll do the total of 2 plus 5. It's coming to 7. For a male candidate, Kua number will be calculated after deducting that particular sum total from 11. That is 11 minus 7, which is 4. But since Kavita is a female, Kavita's Kua number will be calculated after adding 4 to that sum total of YY. In this case, it's 4 plus 7, which is coming to 11. And again, I'll do the total of 1 plus 1, which is coming to 2. That means Kavita's Kua number will be 2. Now we have 3 more numbers: driver, conductor, and Kua. So all these 3 numbers, you place it back to the Loshu grid, which is the birth chart of Kavita Sen. Okay. So now this Loshu grid or the birth chart is totally completed. I hope you have enjoyed the video. You have understood how to make your own birth chart. Please comment me with your driver number, conductor number, and Kua number. Please keep watching, and next week I'll come with some more interesting topic. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.